Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking and groundbreaking developments in modern weapon technology, Israel's new assault rifle that has left military experts, global defense analysts, and even rival nations completely stunned. This weapon isn't just another upgrade, it's a leap into the future of warfare. Israel has always been at the forefront of defense innovation, but what they've done now is something truly extraordinary. For decades, Israel has built a reputation as a global leader in weapon engineering, from their drones to their missile defense systems like the Iron Dome. But the new rifle unveiled by Israel is different. It's not just about power, it's about precision, adaptability, and intelligence built directly into the firearm. It represents a complete rethinking of what a rifle should be in modern combat. The world's militaries have been watching closely, and what they've seen is a weapon that could redefine infantry warfare for years to come. This rifle has been developed under Israel's defense company, Israel Weapon Industries, the same innovators who gave the world the famous Taver and Gallo rifles. But this time, they've taken things to a whole new level. Reports suggest that this rifle integrates cutting-edge digital optics, AI-assisted targeting, and modular systems that can switch configurations in seconds. It's built not just to shoot, but to think, adapt, and dominate any battlefield condition. Soldiers using this rifle will not only fire bullets, they'll be operating a smart system that analyzes data in real time. Imagine a rifle that helps its user identify threats faster, calculate distances, and even adjust for wind or movement automatically. That's what Israel has achieved. They've effectively merged artificial intelligence with small arms technology, something no other nation has done at this level before. Early demonstrations of the weapon show how remarkably stable and efficient it is. The recoil control is minimal, the firing accuracy is astonishing, and the adaptability allows soldiers to attach various accessories for specific missions. Whether it's urban warfare, desert operations, or special forces missions, this rifle can transform on the go. The same weapon can act as a short-range carbine, a mid-range assault rifle, or a precision shooter's weapon. That level of modularity is something even the most advanced NATO rifles struggle to achieve. The rifle's design also focuses on soldier comfort and operational endurance. Lightweight materials, advanced polymers, and ergonomic features reduce fatigue and increase combat performance. Every curve, every button, and every function has been engineered to give soldiers maximum efficiency and control in the most chaotic environments. It's a perfect fusion of form, function, and futuristic technology. What really shocked military experts is how Israel managed to integrate a complete digital command layer into the rifle. This means soldiers can connect their weapons to helmets, drones, and command centers for live coordination. In the heat of battle, this creates a synchronized network where every soldier's rifle becomes a data point, sending and receiving information in real time. It's no longer just a weapon. It's a node in a smart battlefield ecosystem. This integration allows soldiers to mark enemy positions, share target coordinates instantly, and receive alerts about movements or threats detected by drones. The rifle essentially turns each operator into part of a collective intelligent network, something that can drastically change how wars are fought. Israel's defense vision is clear: to make every soldier smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. Another incredible aspect of this rifle is its adaptability to multiple calibers. This is extremely rare and valuable in modern warfare. the same base platform can be modified to fire different types of ammunition depending on mission requirements. This means troops don't have to carry multiple weapon types. One system can do it all. It simplifies logistics, reduces costs, and increases battlefield flexibility. The weapons optics are another area where Israel has shocked the world. Instead of traditional scopes, this rifle features an integrated digital sighting system with smart glass technology. It can display range, target position, environmental factors, and even facial recognition features powered by AI. In some configurations, it can link directly to satellite or drone feeds, allowing the soldier to see targets beyond direct line of sight. This is where the real game changer lies. It's not just a rifle, it's a digital combat tool. Imagine a soldier aiming at an enemy hiding behind cover, and the rifle's onboard system helps calculate the trajectory needed to hit the target without exposing the shooter. That's the kind of capability this system provides. It's an entirely new way of thinking about small arms combat. Israel's new rifle is also designed to be nearly indestructible under harsh conditions. It can function in extreme heat, sand, rain, and cold without losing performance. Every part of the weapon has been stress-tested to military extremes. Israel has learned from real-world combat experience. Their weapons aren't built for display, they're built for survival. What's even more surprising is the level of secrecy that surrounded this project. For years, defense insiders only heard whispers about a next-generation rifle being tested by elite Israeli units. Now that it's official, it's clear why Israel kept it hidden for so long. This rifle provides such a technological edge that even NATO allies are reportedly studying it closely, trying to adapt some of its principles for their own systems. The U.S., Russia, and China have all been experimenting with smart weapon systems, but Israel has once again managed to leap ahead by creating something practical, tested, and ready for combat deployment. It's not just theoretical, it's already being fielded and fine-tuned by Israeli special forces. That real-world feedback gives it a level of credibility that paper projects from other nations don't have. The global defense community has responded with both admiration and concern. Some see this as a revolutionary step forward that could make warfare more precise and reduce collateral damage. Others see it as the beginning of a dangerous new era, where AI-powered weapons could make conflict even more efficient and more unpredictable. But no matter how you look at it, Israel's achievement cannot be ignored. This rifle isn't just a technological success, it's a strategic message. It tells the world that Israel is prepared for the next generation of warfare. While other nations focus on big platforms like fighter jets or tanks, Israel is redefining how individual soldiers fight, think, and survive. In modern conflicts, where mobility and intelligence matter more than brute force, this kind of innovation can make all the difference. Experts believe that Israel's defense exports could skyrocket after this. Many countries already rely on Israeli rifles, and this new generation could set a new global standard. Some have called it the iPhone of assault rifles, not because of the look, but because of how it transforms user experience through technology. It's sleek, smart, and incredibly powerful. What's truly fascinating is how this rifle also symbolizes Israel's overall defense philosophy: innovate or fall behind. Surrounded by constant threats, Israel has turned necessity into innovation. Every new weapon they create is born from real operational experience. The lessons learned in the field directly shape the technology that follows. This rifle is the ultimate example of that process. Even the training systems connected to this weapon are advanced. Israeli engineers have created digital simulators that pair with the rifle's software to train soldiers more effectively. Using augmented reality, troops can practice with the same weapon in a simulated battlefield that feels real but is completely safe. This drastically cuts training time and improves readiness across the board. Another impressive detail is the energy efficiency and power management built into the weapon's smart components. The digital optics, sensors, and processors run on minimal energy, allowing soldiers to use the system for extended missions without constant battery changes. The integration of solar-assisted recharging in some prototypes shows how far Israel is thinking ahead. The materials used in construction also represent a huge leap forward. Carbon, fiber reinforced polymers, and titanium elements make the rifle both light and durable. Soldiers report that it feels almost weightless compared to traditional rifles, yet it delivers unmatched performance. This combination of strength and agility is exactly what modern combat demands. There are also built-in safety systems that prevent unauthorized use. If the weapon is lost or stolen, it can be remotely disabled, rendering it useless to the enemy. This feature alone has massive implications for global arms security. It's a weapon that's as smart about safety as it is about combat. One of the boldest features being tested is the integration of biometric user recognition. This means the rifle can identify its authorized user through fingerprints or grip patterns, ensuring that only trained operators can fire it. It's a level of control rarely seen in conventional firearms, and it reflects Israel's vision of creating weapons that are both powerful and responsible. Analysts believe that this rifle will change how future soldiers are trained, equipped, and deployed. In upcoming conflicts, having a smart weapon like this could mean the difference between victory and defeat. Every second counts, and every advantage matters. Israel has given its soldiers both. Many believe this innovation will push other nations to accelerate their own development programs. We could soon see a global arms race for smart rifles, just as we once saw for stealth jets and drones. But right now, Israel stands ahead of the curve, setting a benchmark that others will struggle to reach. As the rifle enters wider production, Israel plans to equip its front-line units first, particularly those involved in rapid response and counter-terror operations. Given Israel's track record, it's almost certain that within a few years, this weapon will see real combat, where its true effectiveness will be tested. If it performs as promised, it could completely redefine modern warfare strategy. Even veteran soldiers who have used traditional rifles for decades have expressed astonishment at how intuitive and balanced this weapon feels. It's not just about adding tech, it's about enhancing the soldier's natural instincts through seamless integration. The weapon becomes an extension of the body, guided by human skill, but amplified by digital intelligence. This combination of man and machine working together is exactly where the future of warfare is headed. And Israel's new rifle has just taken the first major step in that direction. It's not hard to imagine a future where every soldier carries a weapon that's aware, connected, and adaptive. That future isn't science fiction anymore, it's here, and it's Israeli. To sum it all up, this rifle has shocked the world for good reason. It's the perfect blend of advanced engineering, battlefield practicality, and futuristic vision. It represents everything that makes Israel a powerhouse in defense, technology, bold ideas, relentless innovation, and the determination to stay ahead no matter what. As nations around the world scramble to understand how Israel pulled this off, one thing is certain: the era of the traditional rifle is ending. The era of the smart weapon has begun. Israel has opened the door to a new age of warfare, and the rest of the world is just beginning to catch up. And that's why this new rifle isn't just a weapon. It's a statement that Israel will continue to innovate, surprise, and lead the world in military technology, one breakthrough at a time.